Hey guys, I just wanted to record some real quick directions for this activity this week. Um, you are going to be using a program outside of Schoology to do this activity, so that's why we're doing these directions. So you're going to be reading an article on Actively Learn. You will probably recognize the author, Sandra Cisneros. She's also the author of 11, which we read last week. So what you're going to do is you are going to open this link right here, and it's going to take you to a login page. Most of you guys haven't used Actively Learn. Some of you may have in the past. If you can remember your login info, great, type it in here. Most of you will be creating an account. Use your school account. I already have an account that I've been playing with, so I'm going to log in. Then it's going to say, please join 6th grade ELA, Ms. Hirschman. So you need that code, so you're going to come back here to our page, and you're going to Control-C for copy, Control-V for paste, join class. And here's the article. So this is what it wants you to focus on throughout reading. It says, as you read, ask yourself, how do cultural norms affect people? Cultural norms are a culture's idea of what is proper and acceptable for a person. So what you're going to do is you have to take this poll. There's no grade attached to this poll, so don't worry about it. Just to kind of get you into the reading. So does your family's culture have expectations or rules that you do not like? So you choose here. I'm going to choose that one because I don't know. I'm choosing that one. So then you're going to read, and you're going to notice that you're going to get stopped by questions. So you're going to respond to these questions. So I am just going to type in my response. You will obviously type in a one-sentence description, and then it'll open up more of the article to you. You're going to get stopped again by multiple choice question, and that's just to kind of check like your comprehension. I'm not going to click that because I don't want to give you guys the answers. But when you are all done, you are going to come over here, and as you see, we've answered some questions. So read through the whole article, answer all the questions, and then this is the way that you're going to submit. You are going to take a screenshot, or if you have like a snipping tool that you like to use, like I do, just save the snip. It's for 2.5.1. Yes, that's fine. I did this for the other class. And then, so you'll have your answers right here. And then you'll come over to the next page right here, which I'm not going to click because I can't submit assignments anyway. And then you'll submit that screenshot or that snip to the Dropbox on the next page. And that's how you do the assignment. Please let me know if you have any questions.